Hi, this is Sarah Ackerman, and I'm here to record a video blog too on this beautiful Saturday morning. So today we're talking about critical thinking, and we have this question prompt that asks if we have a colleague that comes to us and they say that there's a study that proves that hypnosis works as a cure for multiple personality disorder. What would we do? How would we respond to that? And so this idea of would we be cautious in believing such a statement? Well, I looked at this and I thought it's important to understand what critical thinking is. And so just one of the things that stood out for me from the video that we watched was this idea about inherited opinions. And inherited opinions are statements or beliefs or information that we get from family, friends, colleagues, leaders. These are things that a lot of times we just take it at face value because we hear it from somebody we trust. So if a colleague says to you, hey, this study proves this, it's easy to say, I believe that, I accept what you say, and move forward with that opinion. Critical thinking tells us that we really can't do that. I mean, even if it's somebody we trust, we have to answer the question for ourselves and allow the research that's been done to be seen through a critical thinking lens, so that we can really form our own argument and bring about our own truths that we need using facts. And not to say that you're not getting great information from all these people, family, friends, colleagues, our leaders, but that a lot of times, and especially about really important issues, we need to get that information for ourselves from the actual study. So some things about critical thinking that stood out to me from the articles I've read so far this week are that, we just want to initially, anytime we hear a statement, avoid absolutes. Issues have gray areas. And so if you hear somebody say something that is just like sort of an all or nothing claim, we need to reject that just initially and just say, hey, hold on. I need to do my own research. And that research, is a slow and deliberate process that allows your own ideas and arguments to emerge. So, I think it's a little bit of skepticism that's needed in what we hear so that we can discover for ourselves. When we're looking at these things, we need to examine the issues from multiple viewpoints and data points and realizes that intellectual fair-mindedness means that we're not saying your source of information is necessarily better than all these other sources of information. So if this university has dissertations coming out that say one thing and this university has dissertations saying another thing, both of those they have weight, and we have to look at them equally. And then to circle back around to my final answer to this question, we need to use caution when accepting an absolute position on a topic. And if there's a one-size-fits-all blanket statement, we really just want to go, hold on, let me look at the research myself. Let me cross-reference this research with other studies to figure out where I'm at. Now, I might come to the same conclusion that you did, but that's what I need to do in order to support that point of view. That's critical thinking. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, everybody.